Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 2. How are you? Hope all of you are fine by the blessing of Almighty Allah. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, assistant teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today, I am going to take a social science class for the students of class 2. Our today's topic is general knowledge, fill in the blanks 1 to 10. I repeat, our today's topic is general knowledge, fill in the blanks 1 to 10. Dear students, this is our lecture number 9 and SW number 8 on our annual term syllabus. I repeat, this is our lecture number 9 and SW number 8 on our annual term syllabus. My dear students, before going to start our main session, I want to inform you that the name of our subject is social science and it has two parts. One is social studies, another one is general knowledge. So I am very much happy to share with you that we have finished our social studies portion, and with our today's class we have started our general knowledge part. But I want to write something on the board so that you have a clear information about our syllabus. So look at board, I am writing. It is social, so look here. Social science. It has two parts, so look here. One is social studies, another one is general knowledge. So look here, social studies has 35 mark, which we have finished already, and it has 15 marks. So look here, total 50 marks. So dear students, look, that means social studies portion has 35 marks, which we have finished in our previous class, and today we have started our general knowledge portion with mark 50. So look here, total 50 marks. So our subject social science has 50 marks, and today inshallah we will start our general knowledge part. It is fill in the blanks. So dear students, I request you to all of you open your book page number 54, 63 and 64. So look here, I have written the page number. Today inshallah we will learn from page number 54, 63 and 64. So look here. So I think all of you can look at the picture, page number 54, 63 and 64. Now come to the main part. So look here, it is written fill in the blanks 1 to 10. All of you can look at the board. So look here, 1, 2, so like this one. So how many? 1 to 10 here. Look at the first one. Dash is the highest gallantry award of Bangladesh. Dash is the highest gallantry award of Bangladesh. So dear students, this is to inform you that we all know that in 1971 our liberation war took place or was held. Liberation war was taking place or was held in 1971. Those valiant sons or those brave sons have sacrificed their lives in the frontal attack with Pakistani army. Among them, 7 Veer Shrestha are the best, and our country has given them the highest gallantry award or the highest bravery award. They are called 7 Veer Shrestha. So look here, among them dash is the highest gallantry award of Bangladesh. So in this connection I want to show you a picture. So look, a small picture, but I think you can see it. It is written Veer Shrestha. There are 7 persons who have got this Veer Shrestha award. So number 1 is Veer Shrestha is the highest gallantry award of Bangladesh. Veer Shrestha. Veer Shrestha So look here, BIR Shrestha SHRESTA. So this is the highest gallantry award of Bangladesh, and second dash one is dash is the second highest gallantry award of Bangladesh. So we all know that Bir Shrestha is the highest and second highest is Bir Shrestha is highest and second highest is Bir Uttam. Bir Shrestha, Bir Uttam, Bir Bikram and Bir Pratik. There are 4 types of awards are given. One is Bir Shrestha, number 2 Bir Uttam, number 3 Bir Bikram and number 4 is Bir Bikram. Okay, I am writing on the board. Bir Shrestha, Bir Shrestha, Bir Uttam, Bir Bikram and Bir Pratik. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. So look here, Bir Shrestha, Bir Uttam, Bir Bikram and Bir Pratik. I think all of you can see the board properly and you have understood. And we are discussing about Bir Shrestha and Bir Uttam. So look here, dash is the second highest gallantry award of Bangladesh. Second highest, it is Bir Uttam. So number 1 is Bir Shrestha, number 2 is Bir Uttam. So look at the third number, fill in the blanks. Bhutan was the dash country to recognize Bangladesh as an independent country. Dear students, we know that Bhutan is the first country who gave or recognized Bangladesh as an independent country. So our answer is Bhutan is the first country. The first country I am writing, Bhutan was the first country, FIRST, first. Bhutan was the first country to recognize Bangladesh as an independent country. Number 4, Kamrul Hassan is the dash of our national flag. Kamrul Hassan is the designer of our national flag. It will be designer. So I am writing, follow me, DESIGNER, designer. Kamrul Hassan is the designer of our national flag. Number 5, dash is our national day. Dash is our national day. We know that 26 March is our national day. Number 6, Kazi Nazrul Islam is the national dash of Bangladesh. So look at the picture. In this connection, I want to show you a picture. So look here, look at the picture of Kazi Nazrul Islam. Yes, I hope that all of you have seen this picture. Kazi Nazrul Islam is the national poet of Bangladesh. National poet. Below the picture it is written Kazi Nazrul Islam. So look here, he is our national poet of Bangladesh. Number 7, our national flag was first hosted at dash. Here it will be the location. The location is our national flag was hosted at Dhaka University. Dhaka University, DHAKA, Dhaka University, UNIVER. So here I have written Dhaka University. Number 8, Jatiyo Smriti Soudho. So look here, Jatiyo Smriti Soudho is located in dash Dhaka. So before going to tell the answer, I want to share with you that, dear students, our liberation war took place in 1971. Those who sacrificed their lives, those sons who sacrificed their lives for establishing Bangla as an independent country, to remember them or to give them award, to give them recognition, our country has set Jatiyo Smriti Soudho or National Memorial. It is called Jatiyo Smriti Soudho or National Memorial, and it is located at Savar in Dhaka. So look, it is located, Jatiyo Smriti Soudho is located in Savar. SAVAR, Savar in Dhaka. So dash is the capital of United States. We all know that Washington DC, I repeat, Washington DC is the capital of United States. Washington. So look here, I have written here Washington, WASHINGTON. DC is the capital of United States. So dear students, if you open your book page number 55, I am telling again, if you open your book page number 55, you will get the writing or the answer Washington DC. So number 10, Ottawa is the capital of Canada. I am writing the answer, follow me. Ottawa is the capital of Canada. CANADA, Canada. So dear students, I will tell you again so that all of you can understand this class properly. So look at the very beginning. Fill in the blanks 1 to 10. Number 1, Bir Shrestha. So look here, is the highest gallantry award of Bangladesh. Number 2, Bir Uttam is the second highest gallantry award of Bangladesh. So look at the word here, gallantry. Gallantry means bravery. Gallantry means bravery award. So number 3, Bhutan was the first. So if you don't understand, I am writing the word again first. FIRST, first. Okay. Bhutan was the first country to recognize Bangladesh as an independent country. Number 4, Kamrul Hassan is the designer of our national flag. That means he designed of our national flag. He is the designer of our national flag. Number 5, 26 March is our national day. 26 March is our national day. Number 6, Kazi Nazrul Islam is the national poet of Bangladesh. So look at the picture of Kazi Nazrul Islam. Number 7, our national flag was first hosted at Dhaka University. Number 8, Jatiyo Smriti Soudho is located in Savar, Dhaka. SAVAR, Savar. I repeat, SAVAR, Savar. Number 9, Washington DC is the capital of United States. Number 10, Ottawa is the capital of Canada. So dear students, look at the end of our board. It is written here homework, and this is our homework number 8. So look, this is our homework number 8. I have written here also homework number 8. General knowledge, fill in the blanks 1 to 5. So look here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 are your SW. At first, whenever you will sit for doing your SW, you will write GK general knowledge, then fill in the blanks 1 to 5, then you will pick up 1 to 5, then in the blank or in the gap you will write the answer. Dear students, I hope all of you have understood this class in details. I have tried my level best to tell you about our syllabus, about our social science syllabus. It has 2 parts, social studies and general knowledge. This is an interesting class, and we have finished our class. Fill in the blanks 1 to 10. If anybody has questions, to write me in the comment box and do your SW in your SW copy. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.